Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. What I have today is a very interesting lock by a company, CLC, Commando Lock Company, military grade padlock systems. Commando Lock is in Troy, Michigan, made in the USA. Made in the USA with US and global components, so we know what that means. It's an interesting lock. So this is a brand new one, closed shackle design. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece, but it's not your everyday closed shackle design. A couple of things. It's 10 security pins. That's one of my beefs. 10 security pins. I wish it was 12 pinner, 6 pinner, 6 and 6, but it's 5 and 5, and they're all security pins. The other thing is it shares the M1 keyway, the master keyway. Not very fond of that, but man, this thing weighs a ton and it's well built. And here's the kicker. This is what I really like about it. So you've got your chain hooked here. Now, if you were to pick this, you still can't get the chain out. So you have a look at that. So what you'd have to do then, if you're trying to pick it, you'd have to turn it this way and then pick it in the opposite direction. Got to get it just right to pull that out, pull this out, and put your chain on. So let's see if I can get it back in where it's got to go. I think I'm going to be right here. So what I'll try to do, yeah, we're going to go that way, we're going to go that way, we're going to go that way, and we're closed. I'm going to try to demonstrate somewhat what we would have to do to pick this thing open if we had the chain inside. So here we go, guys. Let's give it a crack. See what it's going to take to get into it. And we're going to have to get into it twice. And again, it's chocked full of security pins. So let's see. One. Here's the IC3 tactical closed shackle padlock. Okay, got some movement there on pin 2. Let's see where we're at here. Okay, let's come up to pin 1. That pin hidden behind there. A nice click there, but okay, I think that was pin 1 got set. Let's go over to pin 4. I just want to get that tensioner back in. Got spools in here, that's for sure. Oh, I thought I had that. Drop my tensioner. You always run that risk when you're top of the keyway. Counter rotation. Okay, we got a deep fault set now. Okay, so there we are. I managed to get it open. So now we're in. You still can't get your chain out. So now you got to turn the shackle. And I mean, the person that's picking this is not going to know this. So you got to get the shackle right at the right spot, I believe. Let me see. I guess this is the interesting part now. Okay, so I've got the lock back in the closed position, shackle turned. Now I have to pick it in reverse. So, you know, for someone to attempt to do this in the field, good luck, because they're not even going to know. So now let's see what we can do. I'm going to have to pick it a second time to get my chain out. You got your 10 security pins. Okay, dropped into a deep fault set. Working under pressure here, trying to steal whatever I'm trying to steal. Hypothetically, of course. And there we go. So I got it open the second time. Get my chain out. So that's what you would have to do to get into this IC3 tactical, guys. I'm going to show you the key. We'll look at it together. It's actually a pretty nasty key. Got a high set pin there in position 3. Yeah, position 3. Needed to go right up into the ceiling. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. It's a decent lock, very interesting setup. Like I said, picking this in the field, nobody's going to know what they're doing unless they've studied the lock previous. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. The Commando military grade padlock system, IC3 closed shackle. Stay well.